Question number 101. The transfer section of a plant part showed foliar, radial and exarch xylem with epidermis and pericycle. The plant part is identified as option A monocot stem, option B monocot root, option C dicot stem, option D dicot root. आंसर है ऑप्शन बी monocot root. Question number 102. In the equation GPP minus R equal to NPP, R represent option A respiratory loss, option B radiant energy, option C respiratory efficiency, option D rate of photosynthesis. आंसर है ऑप्शन ए respiratory loss. Question number 103. Pyruvate dehydrogenase activity during aerobic respiration requires option A iron, option B calcium, option C cobalt, option D magnesium. आंसर है ऑप्शन डी मैग्नीशियम. Question number 104. The process of growth is maximum during option A log phase, option B lag phase, option C senescence, ऑप्शन डी डोरमेंसी. आंसर है ऑप्शन ए लॉग फेज. लॉग फेज को एक्सपोनेंशियल फेज भी कहा जाता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 105. In spite of interspecific competition in nature, which mechanism the competing species might have evolved for their survival? Option A competitive release, option B mutualism, ऑप्शन सी रिसोर्स पार्टीशनिंग, ऑप्शन डी प्रीडेशन. आंसर है ऑप्शन सी रिसोर्स पार्टीशनिंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 106. व्हाट इज द नेट गेन ऑफ एटीपी व्हेन ईच मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ ग्लूकोज इज कन्वर्टेड टू 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स पायरुविक एसिड? ऑप्शन ए 2, ऑप्शन बी 4, ऑप्शन सी 8, ऑप्शन डी 6. आंसर है ऑप्शन सी 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 107. Which one of the following statement is correct regarding gross primary productivity and net primary productivity of an ecosystem? Option A gross primary productivity is always less than net primary productivity. Option B gross primary productivity is always more than net primary productivity. Option C gross primary productivity is equal to the net primary productivity. Option D there is no relation between gross primary productivity and net primary productivity. आंसर है ऑप्शन बी gross primary productivity is always more than net primary productivity. Question number 108. Identify the macroorganism which is responsible for the production of an immunosuppressive molecule cyclosporin A. Option A Aspergillus niger, option B Trichoderma polysporum, option C Clostridium dactylum, option D Streptococcus cerevisiae. आंसर है ऑप्शन बी Trichoderma polysporum. Question number 109. The sequence that controls the copy number of the linked DNA in the vector is termed option A oricide, option B selectable marker, option C recognition site, option D palindromic sequence. आंसर है ऑप्शन ए oricide. Question number 110. Gorilla, chimpanzee, monkeys and humans belongs to the same option A family, option B species, option C genus, option D order. आंसर है ऑप्शन डी order. Question number 111. How many times decarboxylation occurs during each TCA cycle? Option A once, option B twice, option C thrice, option D many. आंसर है ऑप्शन बी twice. Question number 112. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding gymnosperm? Option A male and female gametophytes are free living. Option B, their seeds are not covered. Option C, they are heterosporous. Option D, most of them have narrow leaves with thick cuticle. इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है ऑप्शन ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 113. Malonate inhibits the growth of pathogenic bacteria by inhibiting the activity of option A succinic dehydrogenase, option B lipase, option C denitrogenase, option D amylase. आंसर है ऑप्शन ए succinic dehydrogenase. Question number 114. In tissue culture experiment, deep mesophyll cells are put in a culture medium to form callus. This phenomenon may be called as option A differentiation, option B development, option C de-differentiation, option D senescence. आंसर है ऑप्शन सी de-differentiation. Question number 115. Hormones stored and released from neurohypophysis are option A prolactin and vasopressin, option B thyroid stimulating hormone and oxytocin, option C oxytocin and vasopressin, option D follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. आंसर है ऑप्शन सी oxytocin and vasopressin. Question number 116. Exoskeleton of arthropods is composed of option A cellulose, option B glucosamine, option C lutein, option D chitin. आंसर है ऑप्शन डी chitin. Question number 117. DNA strands on a gel stained with ethidium bromide when viewed under UV radiation appear as option A bright orange band, option B dark red band, option C yellow band, option D bright blue bands. आंसर है ऑप्शन ए bright orange bands. Question number 118. Which of the following functions is carried out by cytoskeleton in a cell? Option A motility, option B nuclear division, option C protein synthesis, option D transportation. आंसर है ऑप्शन ए motility. Question number 119. How many different proteins does the ribosome consist of? Option A 40, option B 80, option C 20, option D 60. आंसर है ऑप्शन बी 80. Question number 120. What is the role of RNA polymerase 3 in the process of transcription in eukaryotes? Option A transcription of only snRNA, option B transcription of rRNA, option C transcription of precursor of mRNA, option D transcription of tRNA, 5S rRNA and snRNA. आंसर है ऑप्शन डी ट्रांसक्रिप्शन ऑफ tRNA, 5S rRNA and snRNA. Question number 121. Which of the following is the correct match for disease and its symptoms? Option A muscular dystrophy, an autoimmune disorder causing progressive degeneration of skeletal muscle. Option B arthritis, inflamed joints. Option C myasthenia gravis, genetic disorder resulting in weakening and paralysis of skeletal muscle. Option D retaining high calcium ion level causing rapid spasms. आंसर है ऑप्शन बी arthritis, inflamed joints. Question number 122. In gene gun method used to introduce alien DNA into host cells, microparticles of dash metal are used. Option A zinc, option B silver, option C copper, option D tungsten or gold. आंसर है ऑप्शन डी tungsten or gold. Question number 123. In human beings, at the end of 12 weeks or first trimester of pregnancy, the following is observed. Option A, the head is covered with fine hair. Option B, movement of the fetus. Option C, most of the major organ systems are formed. Option D, eyelids and eyelashes are formed. Answer है option C. Most of the major organ systems are formed. Question number 124. Choose the correct hierarchical arrangement of taxonomic categories in case of animals. Option A, kingdom, order, phylum, family, class, genus, species. Option B, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Option C, kingdom, class, order, phylum, family, genus, species. Option D, kingdom, class, phylum, family, order, genus, species. आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, किंगडम, फाइलम, क्लास, ऑर्डर, फैमिली, जेनस, स्पेसीज. Question number 125. The size of pneumonia-like organism or PPLO is option A 0.1 micrometer, option B 1 to 2 micrometer, option C 0.02 micrometer, option D 10 to 20 micrometer. आंसर है ऑप्शन ए 0.1 micrometer. Question number 126. Inulin is a polymer of option A glucose, option B fructose, option C amino acid, option D galactose. आंसर है ऑप्शन बी fructose. Question number 127. The sum total of the population of the same kind of organism constitute option A genus, option B species, option C order, option D family. Answer है option B species. Question number 128. Which of the following stages of meiosis involves division of centromere? Option A anaphase 1, option B metaphase 1, option C metaphase 2, option D anaphase 2. आंसर है ऑप्शन डी anaphase 2. Question number 129. Which is the important site of formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids in eukaryotic cells? Option A Golgi bodies, option B polysomes, option C peroxisomes, option D endoplasmic reticulum. आंसर है ऑप्शन ए Golgi bodies. Question number 130. The production of gametes by the parents, formation of zygotes, the F1, F2 plants can be understood from a diagram called option A bullet square, option B Punnett square, option C punch square, option D net square. आंसर है ऑप्शन बी Punnett square. Question number 131. In calotropis, estivation is option A maxillary, option B imbricate, option C valvate, option D twisted. आंसर है ऑप्शन सी valvate. Question number 132. Which of the following statement about cork cambium is incorrect? Option A it forms secondary cortex on its outer side. Option B it forms a part of peridome. Option C it is responsible for the formation of lenticels. Option D it is a couple of layers thick. Incorrect statement है option A. Cork cambium forms secondary cortex on its inner side. Question number 133. In light reaction, plastoquinone facilitates the transfer of electrons from option A cytochrome B6F complex to PS1, option B PS1 to NADP+, option C PS1 to ATP synthase, option D PS2 to cytochrome B6F complex. आंसर है ऑप्शन डी PS2 to cytochrome B6F complex. Question number 134. When the gene targeting involving gene amplification is attempted in an individual's tissue to treat disease, it is known as option A, gene therapy, option B, biopiracy, option C, safety testing, option D, molecular diagnosis. आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, gene therapy. Question number 135. The process of appearance of recombination produce occurs at which sub-stage of prophase 1 in meiosis? Option A, diplotin, option B, pectin, option C, dikinesis, option D, zygotin. आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, pectin. Question number 136. The phenomenon of pleiotropism refers to option A, a single gene affecting multiple phenotypic expression, option B, presence of several alleles of a single gene controlling a single crossover, option C, presence of two alleles each of the two genes controlling a single trait, option D, more than two genes affecting a single character. आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, a single gene affecting multiple phenotypic expression. Question number 137. Persons with AB blood group are called as universal recipient. This is due to option A, absence of antigen A and B on the surface of RBC, option B, absence of antigen A and B in plasma, option C, absence of antibodies anti-A and anti-B in plasma, option D, presence of antibodies anti-A and anti-B on RBC. आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, absence of antibodies anti-A and anti-B in plasma. Question number 138. Resolution of the synaptonymal complex occurs during option A, zygotin, option B, diplotin, option C, pectin, option D, leptotin. आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, diplotin. Question number 139. Gamete are present in option A, mosses, option B, pteridophytes, option C, gymnosperm, option D, liverworts. आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, liverworts. Question number 140. Hydrocolloid kerosene is obtained from option A, Pyophyceae, option B, Rhodophyceae, option C, Chlorophyceae, option D, all of these. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, Rhodophyceae. Question number 141. During meiosis 1, in which stage synapsis takes place? Option A, diplotin, option B, pectin, option C, zygotin, option D, leptotin. आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, zygotin. Question number 142. Which of the following plants does not show plasticity? Option A, cotton, option B, buttercup, option C, coriander, option D, maize. आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, maize. Question number 143. Experimental verification of the chromosomal theory of inheritance was done by option A, Morgan, option B, Mendel, option C, Sutton, option D, Poveri. आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, Morgan. Question number 144. Among the Avil quartet, which one is considered the most important cause driving extinction of species? Option A, alien species invasion, option B, co-extinction, option C, over-exploitation for economic gain, option D, habitat loss and fragmentation. आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, habitat loss and fragmentation. Question number 145. Exile placentation is observed in option A, China rose, petunia and lemon. Option B, pea, tomato and dianthus. Option C, mustard, cucumber and primrose. Option D, beans, lupin and china rose. आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, china rose, petunia and lemon. Question number 146. Which of the following algae contains mannitol as reserved food material? Option A, ectocarpus. Option B, volvox. Option C, ulothrix. Option D, gracilaria. आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, ectocarpus. Question number 147. Which of the following plant is monoecious? Option A, Cara. Option B, Markanthia polymorph. Option C, Carica papaya. Option D, Cycas circinalis. आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, Cara. Question number 148. Which enzyme is responsible for the conversion of inactive fibrinogens to fibrins? Option A, renin. Option B, epinephrine. Option C, thrombokinase. Option D, thrombin. आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, thrombin. Question number 149. The unique mammalian characteristics are option A, mammary gland, pinna and monocondylic skull. Option B, tympanic membrane, hair and mammary gland. Option C, hair, mammary glands and pinna. Option D, pinna, hair and indirect development. आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, hair, mammary glands and pinna. Question number 150. Which of the following stages of meiosis involves division of centromere? Option A, metaphase 2. Option B, anaphase 2. Option C, metaphase 1. Option D, telophase 2. आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, anaphase 2. Question number 151. Which stage of meiotic prophase shows termination of chiasmata as its distinctive feature? Option A, digotin. Option B, leptotin. Option C, pectine. Option D, dikinesis. आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, dikinesis. Last question है, which of the following is not the function of conducting part of respiratory system? Option A, provides surface for diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Option B, it clears inhaled air from foreign particles. Option C, inhaled air is humidified. Option D, temperature of inhaled air is brought to body temperature. आंसर है ऑप्शन ए. अगर आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो इसे लाइक करें, अपने फ्रेंड के साथ इस वीडियो को शेयर करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें.